close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste.
Hey, what's up guys, this is Rishi here and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to unbox and review the cheapest drone in India. I bought this drone from Amazon for 999 rupees. The model of the drone is HX750 and it has a 6-channel power remote control. Here is the company logo. This is the toy drone that has an adjustable propellers that looks pretty beautiful with a simple sleek design. This drone is available in 2 color variants. One is pearl white and another one is matte black. You can choose any one from these. Let's see what's written backside of the box. Here are the important features you need to check out. It has a 360 degrees unlimited eversion and 1 key written and a headless mode, and it also has a 2.4 GHz processor. Here are the precautions given on the downside of the box. You need to read this carefully before operating the drone. And this is a China product. It is the overview of the drone, and now let's unbox it and see how it flies.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
These are all the items you get inside the box. A drone with a rechargeable battery which you need to charge before operating it. A small and simple remote controller with plenty of options to navigate the drone on all sides. A charger is also provided to recharge the battery. An user manual is also provided to know about all its features, which you need to completely read before operating the drone. A spare propellers also given in case of any damages. Let's power on this remote and see how it works. First, you need to remove the battery compartment of this remote. Let's take 3 AAA batteries and insert in this remote. And now let's power it on to see how it works. Wow, this works so good. This remote is so handy and so simple. A power indicator is also given to know the status of its functions. And now let's remove the drone from its cardboard. This drone is so light and handy, and here is the rechargeable battery which you need to plug it to the DC motor of the drone, and here how to plug in. Wow, you can also have LED indicators on the backside of the drone. This looks so good. With these indicators you can also fly the drone on nights with a super view. And here is the overall look of the drone. Let's take both the drone and remote to see the flying functions. Wow, this is so powerful. It almost flies off from my hand. You need to hold it tightly when operating in your hand. Now let's go out, fly this drone and see how it performs.
I don't wanna miss a beat.
I can easily fly this drone up to 40 feet without any lag that you can see in the video. The altitude holder and the directions buttons are also smooth. The most important part of the drone is landing. You need to be careful here. Oh, that was smooth. There is a lot of wind blowing today, but this drone seems to be handle it very perfect. In this price range, it will be the perfect flying toy for your kids. Now let me try flip option, also called as 360 degrees rotation with this drone. That's the end of our video. Drop down your comments if any. Hit a like and don't forget to subscribe. Let's meet in another unboxing video.